Wondering how to open external links on Telegram? Maybe you've received a link in a chat or spotted a cool article in a group, but you're just not sure exactly where it'll open or what to expect. Well, by the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how external links work in Telegram's desktop app, and how to make sure those links open up in your favorite browser smoothly and securely, just like you want. Let's jump right in. So let's say you're browsing a chat or a channel on Telegram desktop. Maybe a friend sent you a YouTube video, or there's a news site link you want to check out. You'll notice that links look a bit different from regular text. They're usually highlighted in blue and underlined. That's Telegram's way of signaling, hey, you can click this. Now, when you actually click on one of these links in Telegram desktop, hear what happens behind the scenes. Telegram automatically takes that external link, the one that starts with HTTP or HTTPS, and asks your computer, which browser should we use? Think of it like Telegram knocking on your computer's door and saying, hey, can you open this website please? Your operating system has one web browser set as the default. For example, if you use Windows 10 or 11, that might be Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, whatever you set up as your go-to browser. On Mac, maybe it's Safari or something else. So when you click that external link, Telegram hands it off to your default browser, which then jumps in and opens the page in a new tab or window. You might notice there isn't a pop-up inside Telegram asking you where to open it or any manual steps. It's designed to be quick and seamless, so you can go straight from your conversation to the content without losing your flow. Now, if you're wondering why Telegram does it this way, it's mainly for your convenience and privacy. By using your default browser, you get all your saved logins, extensions, and security settings just like you're used to. That means if you have password managers or ad blockers, they'll kick in automatically too. It's kind of like having all your usual tools with you wherever you browse. If you ever find that the wrong browser opens, maybe you prefer Chrome, but links keep popping up in Edge or another program, it's a good sign that your default browser settings need a quick check. You can update your default in your computer's settings, and Telegram will always use whatever browser you've chosen. And don't worry if you need to switch later, the change takes effect right away. One thing to keep in mind. Only external links behave this way. Links that start with TME or other Telegram links will open right inside the Telegram interface. But anything pointing to YouTube, news sites, or anywhere else outside of Telegram goes to your default browser. If you ever hesitate before clicking, just remember this process keeps things speedy and safe. Still, it's always smart to check links before you click, especially from unknown sources, just like you would anywhere else online. And that's really all there is to it. External links on Telegram desktop will always open in your computer's default browser for ease and security. If you learned something new or found this tutorial helpful, please take a second to give this video a like. It really helps the channel out. And if you have any questions about Telegram, browsers, or anything else tech-related, drop your question in the comments below. I'm always happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tech tutorials coming soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.